Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 112 of Building the Batmobile. This issue, I am moving away from the front end and going back to the rear again. After, of course, looking through the magazine. We've got Louis' Lethal Lilac Time. Louis the Lilac. Milton Berle. I don't know about him at all, but no memory about that at all. There we go. It's the one where Batman uses his latest invention, just add water. Okay. Instant unfolding bat costumes, complete with utility belts. Drop them in the water. Cool. He obviously got them with him just in case he needed them. Very strange. Batman and the Outsiders. That's the stuff on the outside of the universe, isn't it? Arrow did a bit about them. There we go. History in the making. The League of the Dark Knight. It's interesting. It's a different section. Legends of the Dark Knight. What about that? And then, because obviously that'll be the year's finished then. Yeah, interesting stuff there. So this is what we have. We have the rear fender panel. So we're fitting that to the back with just 4 screws. Looks like all we're going to do today. End up with it like that. So it won't take very long. And let's get straight to it. As is common with most of these body parts, before we can fit it, we've got to unfit things. We've got this support strut like we had on the front of the nose a couple of issues back. So we've got to remove the screws from that. And put that out of the way. Once I can get that screw out of there. There we go. And we're going to need 4 screws to attach this. That's 3. It's always easy to get 3 out. The 4th one's always tricky. There we go. That's 4. So this is fitting to our rear end that we haven't done with our whole body for a while. It's going onto there. I can turn it over like so. That is fitting on there just like that, giving us our nice surround there. I can't rest it up there because of the exhaust pipes. So yeah, this is going to be one of those tricky ones to film. But luckily there is only 4 screws to do, although that one is not going in there. Why is that not going in there? Because it's not lined up quite right. I was a little bit too far backwards. That feels better. There we go. So we've got one there. The same over the other side. Just about on camera there. Look, there it is. Like that. So that is not, again, not lined up quite right. That one is too far backwards, just for a change. So that's come forward a little bit more, not that far. Just about there. And that can line up in there. There we go. And then we've just got the 2 to put in at the other end. One there and one over the other side. Out there somewhere. There it is. So there we go. I shall get those tightened up soon, but that gives us our underbody finish on that. I like it. It's looking quite good. And why have I got an extra screw? Because it just fell out of there. I'll get that in properly and tightened up. But for now, that's another issue done. There is one more in this pack, so I shall do that soon. That's more work on the rear end anyway. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.